So you may be familiar with 7-day week calendars or a monthly calendar that has 7 columns and has space to fill in what you want to do. Maybe you can print this out, but I want to make a mini calendar, one that sits in the top left corner of my sheet and only has the numbers of the month. I'm going to insert 7 columns. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to make them very tiny right there. Now I have this formula already created. What we're doing is we're taking today. Let's look at this as we type it out. We're taking today, and we're going to wrap around it EOMONTH. Now we need the start date and the months, and we're going to add -1. That means whatever today's date is, find out what month it is, find out the last day of last month, -1, the month before that. And then we're in parentheses and add +1. Now that is the first of the month, no matter what day it is. But we don't want to only have the first of the month in that top left corner. We want the first Sunday or any other day before Sunday. So we're going to do minus weekday. And what is the day of that? Today. Again, we're going to wrap EOMONTH around that end of month. In parentheses, +1. And that's the 25th. So we actually need to add +1 again. But you see, we can't fit the whole day here. So we're going to format, number. And we're going to scroll down to custom date and time. And here we're going to pick the day, but we're going to have day without leading zeros. We're going to pick that and click apply. And then I think we need a very small text here. So we'll have font size 8. And that is 26. So now in the next column, take this whole formula, copy and paste it, and we're going to add +2. That's going to be the last Monday of last month. We want to copy and paste just the format only. We're going to do that for the whole thing here. Now we copy paste again, but now +3. Copy paste again, +4, copy paste, each 1, 5, +6, and +7. There's the first week of our calendar. Now, how do we do the next one? We do exactly as we did here, just add 7. So we're going to take this, we're going to go equals A3 +7. So we take that format and that whole formula, and then delete the whole formula and put equals this +7. Or we can do on the left side, A4 +1. Now we have a big cell here. Let's insert a row below, and let's make these all the same size. Let's say 20. Let's insert a row below here, and we need to move some of our calendar around as we collapsed a little bit of space. There we go. And merge these, so that saves the formatting over there. Let's add a few more rows. We need actually probably just 5 rows. Now here's an easy part, is we can copy paste this and it automatically changes the cell reference and says +7. You can change this or copy and paste this without much difference. And there is a tiny calendar in a corner of our sheet. And this is going to be updated every month. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see. So we can change the font up here. I like Quicksand. There's going to be some fonts that don't work very well, but some fonts that work very, very well. Small. I don't think Playfair works very well. Quicksand works. Specific goes okay. Arial is fine. Let's try Courier Prime. It's okay. It's a little squished, but it's fine actually. Very nice. I just like Quicksand. There's your mini calendar. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos. Get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.